Looking for a reliable tape measure? We've rounded up the top 5 tape measures that stand out in durability, accuracy, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these picks offer the best in precision, build quality, and user-friendly features. Not everyone needs a bulky, industrial-strength tape measure for every task. If you're looking for something reliable yet portable, the STANLEY FATMAX 25-foot tape measure is a top contender. Its standout feature is the 11-foot blade reach, which makes it perfect for measuring on your own, especially in larger spaces. The blade armor coating on the first 3 inches adds durability, and the Mylar polyester film keeps the entire blade in excellent condition. The 1 1/4 inch wide blade ensures easy readability, while the cushion grip offers comfort during extended use. Designed with stud center markings at 16 and 19.2 inches, it simplifies framing tasks. The multi-catch hook lets you grab materials from any angle, making measurements even easier. At $22.99, it's a little more than the basic models, but its durability, accuracy, and ease of use justify the investment. For a tool this versatile, it's definitely worth every penny. There are plenty of tape measures on the market, but the Komelon LED Light tape measure brings something unique to the table. What we really like about this tape measure is the built-in LED light. Whether you're working in low-light spaces or need that extra visibility, the light makes it easy to see your measurements clearly. The ultra-compact case is as small as a typical 16-foot tape measure, which makes it easy to store and carry around. With a durable nylon-coated blade and a precise measurement accuracy of plus or minus 0.031 inches. It's perfect for both DIY projects and professional jobs. Plus, it comes with a quick charge USB, so you won't be waiting long to power up the light again. Priced at just $18.31, the Komelon LED Light tape measure offers great value for anyone in need of a reliable, feature-packed tape measure. Our top pick for tape measures is the Komelon SL2825 self-lock 25-foot power tape. This tape measure offers a self-locking feature that automatically secures the blade as you extend it, ensuring you get precise measurements without the need for constant adjustment. It also retracts at the push of a button for easy storage. The blade is protected with a nylon coating, making it highly durable and resistant to wear. The case is made from impact-resistant ABS plastic with a rubber overmold so it can handle tough work environment. Plus, with stud markings every 16 inches, it's ideal for framing and construction projects. At just $6.95, it's an affordable yet reliable tool that stands out for its durability and ease of use. With over 17,000 ratings, it's clear why this tape measure is a favorite among both professionals and DIYers. The FastCap PSSR-16 Foot Pro Carpenter Standard Reverse Measuring Tape offers a great combination of accuracy and convenience for professionals and DIYers alike. With a durable, high-visibility blade that features easy read fractions to 1/16 inch, this tape is built for precision. The tape's standard and reverse measurements make it versatile for use in any direction, ensuring ease of use whether you're measuring from the right or left hand. It also includes a built-in pencil sharpener and an erasable notepad for quick sketches or notes on the job. The tape comes with a protective rubber boot, which ensures the tape's longevity even with frequent drops. Plus, the compact design and belt clip make it easy to carry around. It's an excellent value at just $7.99, offering great functionality and durability for any project. Our next pick is the Klein Tools 9516 tape measure, a compact and durable option for both professional and DIY use. With a 16-foot blade, it's perfect for handling all your measuring needs. The tape is made of a durable nylon-coated steel blade, designed to withstand tough conditions and ensure accuracy over time. One standout feature is its finger brake, allowing you to control the retraction speed safely and effectively. The 5-point reinforced housing adds extra impact resistance, meaning this tape measure is built to last. It also features easy-to-read markings on the blade and a double hook for added versatility. Priced at just $11.98, it's an affordable tool that doesn't compromise on quality. Whether you're working on a small project or need a reliable measuring tool for more demanding tasks, this Klein Tools tape measure offers great value for its price.